episode, Unplugged TV, breaking news. This is a special episode now. It's better without light. Guys, have you got 20 seconds? And this is exactly how long it takes to reset your battery management system in the Outlander PHEV. I'm just coming home from a day trip to Brisbane, and what do I find on the forums? A new method. And it takes literally only 20 seconds to reset your BMS now. Reliably and repeatedly. Do it whenever you want to do it. And here's how it works. Start charging your car. It does not matter which state of charge you have, just plug it in and charge it. Then you turn on your car, disconnect the 12-volt battery, disconnect your charger, reconnect the 12-volt battery. Done. You will then see an error message on your dashboard saying EV system needs servicing. Turn off the car, turn it back on, and you will have 38 ampere hours of battery capacity. The PHEV Watchdog will show you 40 ampere hours while this error message is on your dashboard, but if you restart your car, the error message will be wiped and the state of health is down to 38 ampere hours. Well guys, if you like, you can easily do this method now on a red stoplight in traffic. And this method has been developed here in Australia, in the motherland. And this method has been developed here in Australia, in the land of kangaroos and koalas, crocodiles, and it is called the D-Easy method. Okay, it has been confirmed several times today, different vehicles, multiple times, works 100%. Plug in, start the car, disconnect the 12-volt battery, disconnect the charger, reconnect 12-volt. 5 easy steps to follow. Okay guys, this is all we have time for tonight. This is Andy from Unplugged TV Australia signing off. You stay charged, drive electric, and we'll see us again in the next video very soon. See you then, bye bye.